Good morning, CB2.
Good morning, CB1.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Happy Thanksgiving to everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving to everyone.
I heard your boys cooked you Thanksgiving dinner last night.
Mm-hmm.
Care to elaborate?
Good.
You're not into the camera, are you, CB?
Yeah. I have more favorite things.
As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today has the potential to be ugly. We're fixing a cracked cast iron sewer line in a half basement. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We truly appreciate it. Follow this journey as I train my two sons, the plumbing apprentices, the trade. We will see you inside. Here's our culprit. 5 or 6 foot of cast iron. Doesn't leak yet, but as you see, it's definitely cracked. So we're going to set it up and replace this section. Everything else looks good. Who doesn't love plumbing? Alright, as you see, we're going to cut it clean to the right of this crack. Come down. I'm probably going to cut it on the sweep here. Franco, piece of 4-inch ABS, and we'll be done with it. As CB2 brings the goods. I'm going to cut it right here. Alright, pal. And my goggles, gloves, and a grinder. We're going to jump right in here. The plan. Day before Thanksgiving, I had an easy day planned. It's not so easy now. We gotta apply out this quick repair. We're gonna knock this out. I got 3 houses to winterize today. Plus I work on Thanksgiving. So, we gotta get her done today. I have some cobwebs. We're gonna grind it, finish it off with a Sawzall. Is there a block or something laying around here? Here's what I'm looking to do. Something about 6 inches. Oh, cut me a piece of pipe 6 inches. Put it up here. I don't want this to collapse. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll cut a piece 7.5. Pencil. Sharpen it up. I made it too long. No, good. I think that's from the other job we did. Oh yeah. Fog up. I'm done with this. I'm done with that. You just don't want this to drop. Diablo, #1 blade. Alright. Boom. Yes, sir. Whew. I like that. None of you move. Solid as a rock. Okay, just toss it. I'll give us like an inch play, okay? Make it 69.5, Chuck. Yep. Toss it up here, I'll cut it, and you can get rid of this old piece.
Okay. What this for?
Yeah. Sharpen it?
I grabbed a different one.
Alright. Don't spill nothing upstairs on the rug. love plumbing. We ain't playing around today. Alright, Chucky baby. Done with this. Done with this. Oh my God, look at the warm. You ain't gotta take it up yet, just give me a hand here. Done with this. This reminds me of the diner.
Yeah.
Same type of hole, but the conditions are so much better. Let's get this shot while we're here. I'm trying to get the shot. Some old cast iron. There it is. Beautiful as ever. Hammer, Chucky. Right now I'm pretty satisfied. Grinder, Diablo blade, Milwaukee Sawzall. Charles?
Yeah.
We're ready for a test.
Ready for a test?
Yep.
The toilet?
Flushed both of them. Give me 1 minute. Let me make sure this is nice and tight. Alright, let it rip. I'm going to put a little bit of wood under that so it doesn't sag, but she's nice and tight. Coming right from above my head. I'm glad there's no leak on the bowl wax. Looks good. We're going to throw a level on this. It looks like it's back pitched. Oh, and it's not. Just braking. Here you go. That's it, man. That is it. Did you pack up the sawzalls already? Piece of terracotta here, folks. Did we do it?
I'd say so.
Did we kill him today? Did we get it done?
Alright,
How fast?
41 minutes.
41 minutes. Some good teamwork there. Well, we're going to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, Chuck. Did we do that already?
Did.
All right. Do we have a satisfied customer?
You do.
Give it to us.
All you, CB.
No, man. They want it. Give them a little Thanksgiving treat, bro. Come on.
All you, CB.
Come on, dude. Let your ego down, bro.
How about with no ego?
You don't have no ego?
No.
Anyway, and there goes another satisfied customer. We'll see you on the next one, and happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you see that? I apologize. I wanted to bring.
Sing it, Daddy!
So what if it was all work, you know, play? One day, yes, you took one day.
Somebody's happy. My man is killing it today. It's Happy Wednesday. Happy Thanksgiving, he's saying.